If there is one thing that Wisconsinites or Wisconians or people of Wisconsin can agree on, it's that cheese curds and New Glarus Brewing Spotted Cow are staples in their state. Fried cheese curds are probably one of my favorite pub food, and today we're gonna fry some up with a honey Sriracha Garlic Aioli. The first thing we want to do is soak our cheese curds in an equal mixture of the Spotted Cow and buttermilk. While those soak away, let's make our dipping sauce. Half a cup mayo, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sriracha, about a teaspoon of honey for some sweetness, 2 finely minced garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of salt, and fresh cracked pepper. For the batter, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, about a half teaspoon of salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. And let's get ready to fry them up. And now this is fairly simple. We want to heat the oil to 375. We go from our beer buttermilk mixture into our flour and then right into the fryer. We want to fry these for about a minute, minute and a half, or until golden brown. Cheese curds. Oh, well, I see what the rave is with the Spotted Cow. Holy cow, that's delicious. The exterior is nice and crunchy, it's really gooey and cheesy, and I really encourage you guys to try this at home. If you do, please let me know. Okay, try one. Cheers.
It's so good.
If you guys feel that I represented Wisconsin well, give me a like, please share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, man. Try it with the dipping. Just a little bit.
Just a little.
Mm-hmm.
A little spicy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do a little more.